Yo, what's up guys? Today we're checking out the Flyme 12.2 port on the Poco F6 based on Android 15 Beta 1. It's smooth, but not without some quirks. Let's go. Right off the bat, Flyme looks sleek, super fast, and polished. If you've used Meizu's UI before, you'll feel right at home. First up, Bluetooth audio. It's hit or miss. Sometimes audio just cuts out, or it stutters when streaming music or calls. Not great, but it's been reported that this might be fixed in future updates. Then there's the brightness bug. So sometimes the screen brightness doesn't adjust properly when you're in different lighting conditions, and you'll have to manually tweak it. It's a little annoying, but not a deal breaker if you don't mind messing with settings every now and then. Developer options crash. If you're into tweaking your device, you'll want to know that enabling developer options can actually crash the system for some users. It's one of those things that could be fixed later, but for now, just know to steer clear of that option if you don't want a crash loop. Big one here, Google services are not enabled by default. That means no Google Play Store, no Gmail, no Google Maps out of the box. But don't worry, the fix is pretty simple. You just have to sideload the Google Apps package and you're good to go. All right, let's talk about something that's a little more annoying, the refresh rate delay. Sometimes the transition is a little janky. You might notice that the animations get stuck at 60 Hz, and even when you set it to 100 Hz, there's a delay. But here's a quick fix. Go into Settings, change your refresh rate to 60 Hz, then switch it back to 100 Hz. Boom! It usually resets the refresh rate and the animations start feeling smooth again. So overall, Flyme on Android 15 is a really solid experience. It's smooth, it's beautiful, and it's actually pretty fun to try. If you're into flashing ROMs and want to try something different, this is definitely worth considering. Just remember, it's a beta port, so expect some bugs, glitches, and minor annoyances here and there. Before you flash this ROM, make sure you read all the notes the developer has shared. Trust me, you don't want to miss any important details. And yeah, make sure you back up your data, because sometimes things can go sideways with a beta like this. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more ROM reviews, updates, and tech content. Peace out!